Good day, trainees.
Good day, sir.
You may sit down. So, I'm Mr. John Manuel Tabuso, your trainer for today. And do you have your, did you bring your admission slip?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You may pass it forward.
Done, sir.
This admission slip will also serve as your attendance. Yan. So, we're going to conduct the competency assessment. So, before we conduct our competency assessment, I would like to present to you our assessors for today, Mr. Ashley Tines, and also Mr. James Saro, our fellow Bisaya. So, before I continue our conduct competency assessment, is there anyone who has difficulty in understanding English?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so thank you. So, do you have any preferred language should I speak? Because I also speak Bisaya as Mr. Saro, so, or Tagalog.
Okay na po sa Tagalog.
Tagalog na lang. So, okay. So, mag-adjust na lang ako and speak Tagalog. So, before tayo mag-proceed sa ating main discussion or yung gagawin natin practical, so, ito muna yung nakikita natin sa ating CPLM na pagkakasunod-sunod ng TESDA, which is yung student or trainee will enter the program. So, yung trainee is select ng kanyang competency, which is mamaya ibibigay ko to measure your measure or para makita kung ano yung mga kailangan nyo acquire pa sa TESDA ngayon. So, next is, makikita nyo naman, dito makikita kung sa gawa yung practical is masasatisfy ako or makuha nyo ng tama yung binigay na instruction. So, if tama naman, is makakuha na kayo ng certificate. Then kapag hindi, which is mapifail kayo, but hindi ibig sabihin na fail is di na pwede mag-take. So, ganun lang ulit, magpaprocess lang ulit kayo ng mag-apply ulit kayo or para mag-enter ulit sa program. So before tayo magpunta ng practical area, so kailangan alam muna natin yung mga safety. First is, before starting demonstration, carefully assess the environment and activities involved for potential risk. Next is develop and practice emergency procedure, includes evacuation plans and first aid protocols. So provide comprehensive training on the safe and correct use of all equipments used in the demonstration, including personal protective equipments, gloves, safety goggles, and ear protection. Next is ensure that all equipment is well maintained and in good work order. Next is lead by example by demonstrating the proper use of equipments and safety procedures. So the role of training. So ito, as a trainer, I'm the training facilitator, competency assessor, training designer and developer, also the training supervisor. So as a role of a trainee kayo, so active learner, self-directed progress, job-related standard, flexibility and individualized learning, dual training system, and continuous learning, and also lastly, training involvement in program development. So, sa qualification na tinake nyo, which is electrical installation and maintenance, NC2. So, yung core competency, so before tayo mag-proceed dyan, I'm going to give you the self-assessment guide that helps me to para makita ko kung ano yung mga kailangan nyong i-take dito sa assessment na to. I'm giving you 5 minutes to check and yung mga kailangan nyo pang i-take. Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You may pass it forward. Okay. So, parehas naman kayo, nakakita ko is about the electrical installation. na nakikita natin dito. Yung installing electrical protective device such as yung power, lighting, auxiliary, and lighting protection, and ground system. So yun yung magiging practical work nyo later on. So yung mga, before tayo pumunta sa ating practical work area, so kailangan alam nyo muna yung mga do's and don'ts natin. First one is use appropriate language, both verbal and written, to convey information clearly and concise. Show competences in all core skills area, including visual, operation check, and post-operation procedure. Adhere to all safety regulations and guidelines. Don't hesitate to ask for clarification if you have hindi kayo sure sa mga instruction na binigay ko. Then be careful, cooperate with the assessor. Be familiar with the different materials used in electrical installation. Ensure you understand the task requirements and now perform it correctly. So sa don'ts naman, don't assume anything. Ask for clarification first. Don't skip the step-by-step procedure. Don't disregard the safety. Don't be disruptive. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Of course, don't cheat. So here's our competency-based training shop layout. So you may stand up, then papakita ko sa inyo ang ating area. So ang ating area, the support service area, distance learning area, learning resources area, trainer resources area, quality control area, computer laboratory, and contextual learning laboratory. So later on, dadalhin ko kayo sa practical learning area. So you may sit down. So yan. So ngayon, dadalhin ko kayo sa practical working area, which is gagawa na kayo ng iyong practical work. So ang gagawin nyo is mag-install kayo ng three-way switch. So may idea naman kayo kung how mag three-way switch. So let's proceed to our practical work area. So ang first na mag-practical siguro is si Mr. Dumandan muna. So,
May I start, sir?
you may start the practical work mo. Okay, I'm done, sir. Thank you, Mr. Dumandan. Doon kayo mag-plug the power source mo. Then, tanggalin ko yung mga ano. Mr. De La Cruz, you may ready yourself na to your practical.
Thank you po, sir.
Okay, very good. You may sit down na. Oh, wait, Mr. De La Cruz. You should check first your connection mo. Sige, kung muna ito lang. Nag-double tap ka dito, so... Okay, you may sit down na. You may sit down. Okay, thank you so much, ladies, for your your demonstration, no? So, before tayo before ko ibigay or tignan yung mga nakakalap kong data mo sa inyo, is self-check nyo muna yung mga sarili nyo kung maganda ba yung performance nyo, yung facility, yung working area natin. Kamusta ba?
Yes, sir.
So, ito na hinihintay natin ang inyong result sa inyong practical. So, unahin natin si Mr. Gumandan, no? Si Mr. Gumandan, may kita na natin na marunong na siya sa pag-electrical. Kaya, natali na rin sa kanya na gawin yung e-brake. So, bale, doon pa lang, may kita na natin na pwede siya or pasado siya sa kanyang practical. So, Mr. Gumandan, congratulations. This is your certificate of completion. Okay, thank you. You may go now. And also, you, Mr. Cyrus, bis na pinakita mo kami, ha? Is medyo di ka aware sa pag-troubleshoot, no? Sa pag-troubleshoot lang naman yung problem mo. Siguro, you may take again para mas ano natin yung performance mo, no? So, yun lang naman yung nakita ko difficulty mo sa pag-troubleshoot mo. So, you may take again your completion para makuha mo na yung completion. So, Mr. Thank you.